we're going to talk about probability and sampling. And these are commonly found in marketing. So in marketing, we know that in order to understand your customer, you have to understand the marketing research. And that is, you want to look at the behaviors, okay? And you want to predict those. You also want to look at the motivation. Okay, so what's the basis of them looking at those products and services? So instead of interviewing every customer, what we do is use probability and sampling, and we project and predict the behaviors. So in management science, you can also review quantitative techniques and statistics. And these include descriptive statistics of the sample population. So we may just select 1 out of every 4 or 1 out of every 10 or even other numbers. Sample size and population means are going to be discussed. So it's all part of marketing research techniques, and understanding surveys could require random sampling or sampling distributions or sampling errors. So here's an example. You might have Nielsen, okay? Nielsen, they do those TV ratings, and this is our television. And what they do is they will take a sample size of who's watching what TV shows all the time. And that is a sample of the population that's watching the shows. And that's how marketers, one way that they help make predictions about behavior and motivation. So in economics and finance, we also look at standard deviation, variance, and also sample means. We talk about testing the hypothesis and what approach will work best. So when do you accept and when do you reject a hypothesis? So all of these areas will teach about probability and sampling. One of the things we also talk about is how to calculate and read a distribution curve. So in addition to just understanding the basics, students are going to learn about when to use the results. And here's just an example of the significance levels. These significance levels, like +1, +2, +3, -1, -2, -3, they help you determine the significance of that sample information. And overall, this probability sampling helps you determine what products and what services your customers will be most interested in purchasing.